KCET 2025 round 3 candidates. So the caution deposit of 10,000 is to be paid by those students who have not paid in round 2 or who want to participate in round 3. So in this video, I am going to discuss all the important rules of caution deposit that is declared by KEA. So please watch the complete video if you want to pay or have paid this 10,000 rupees as a caution deposit. Okay. So finally, let me just tell you that rule number 1, I'll go directly to the rule. Okay. So eligible candidates of all the categories who are not allotted any seat in the second round, okay, and are interested in participating in the third round. You were not allotted any seat in second round. You want to participate in the third round, should participate by paying a caution deposit of rupees 10,000. Okay. The caution deposit will be adjusted to the seat allotted in the third round. In case the candidate fails to pay the remaining fee or fails to take the admission in the college after the allotment of seat in the third round, the caution deposit paid by the candidate will be forfeited and the candidate will have to pay a penalty as per the rules. Notification regarding the payment of penalty has been appended. Okay, so now let me just tell you, if you are not getting any seat in round 2, you have participated in the round 3 or you want to participate in round 3, then you have to pay a caution deposit of 10,000. Now in round 3, if a seat is allotted to you, then whatever will be the fees, in that this 10,000 rupees will be adjusted and you have to pay the remaining fees. But if the seat is allotted to you and you did not take the admission or you did not pay the fees or you did not pay the remaining fee or you do not take the admission in the college after the round 3 allotment, then that 10,000 rupees will be forfeited. It will not be refunded. Okay, so that is the first rule. Let's see the second rule. Candidates who have selected choice 3 in the second round and have already been informed to pay the rupees 10,000. If there are any candidates who have selected choice 3 and have not paid the caution deposit, such candidates can participate by paying rupees 10,000. So you know, in round 2 there was an option for selecting, if you are selecting choice 3 in round 2, then you have to pay the caution deposit. If you have paid, then definitely you are participating. But if you have not paid, you can still pay at this point of time and participate. And the last date of payment is again 8th of September. Okay, you can pay of 10,000 rupees and can participate in round 3. This is by choice 3 candidates. Okay. Next, candidates who have selected choice 2 in the second round and have paid the fee need not pay the caution deposit. So if you have already selected choice 2, paid the fee and are participating in round 3, you don't have to pay any caution deposit here. Moving to next one, all the candidates who have paid the caution deposit will be allowed to modify their options for the third round. If a candidate fails to pay the caution deposit to participate in the third round, such candidates will not be considered for the third round of seat allotment, even if they have entered their options. So if you have entered options but you have not paid the caution deposit, then you definitely are not going to participate. You will not be allowed to participate in the third round. Okay, so please check this one and then only make the payment first and then go for third round. Next rule we have is, okay, so that's all. We have the important caution deposit rules. Now there is a big question that if you have paid the caution deposit and no seat is allotted to you in third round, then whether that caution deposit will be refunded or not, about that there is no clarity, no official information by KEA. So please, you have to wait for this. But yes, if you have paid and you have allotted a seat, then the fees will be adjusted with this 10,000. But if no seat is allotted, then what they will do with that 10,000 rupees, that is not yet informed by KEA. If any information comes on that, we will definitely clear your doubts. But at this point of time, my suggestion is, if you are, this is a question of your career, okay? If this 10,000 is not also being refunded, okay, I know this is a very huge amount, but still it is not costlier than your career, okay? So whether it is refunded or not refunded, please put aside that question. And if you have not got any seat, please participate in round 3. Pay the caution deposit, participate in round 3, just check the provisional seat matrix, check your cutoff and add colleges as soon as possible. Please don't miss this great opportunity, the second chance that is given to you by KEA. Okay, that's all my message for you. Thank you for watching and all the best.